Hey, boys.
Hey.
What are you doing? Who's it from?
Grandma.
Yeah.
What's we do after?
Do you need some help? Wow. Look, hang on. Look on the names. There's probably some names on those bags.
Daniel! That's both there? No.
Okay.
Daniel! Missy. Easter egg! Sam!
Yeah. Hey, I think the orange egg fell out of Sam's bag, Daniel. The red one fell out of yours. Yeah.
I've been asking for some of these. Whoa, I got a Superman car.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow. You know what that is? Look on the back. What is it?
It's jelly beans. Jelly beans.
Yeah.
What else?
Oh, that is from Grandmommy and Pawpaw. That's something different. We'll open that one in a second.
Okay. You got another one for me.
No, that wasn't Daniel's. But I bet Daniel will share.
Why is there two?
Well, because 2 people bought them. Now you can each have one.
Mine.
Yeah.
What? I got a
Wow,
big
you
missile.
got one that's a fin. That one is a magnet one too, Sam.
Yeah, I've been asking for one of these myself because I like them. I don't take so much.
Yeah.
There's the one for Esther. Let me open Esther because she's not old enough yet.
Okay, but don't dump her stuff out, okay? Wow. Hey, can you show me what's in Esther's bag?
Ooh, a bunny. There's a bunny
A bunny in hers? Yeah, she'll love that.
Ooh, big.
Ooh.
A Superman car.
Wow.
I got a Superman car too, and she would love this, but nothing else.
Nothing else? You think she'll love that, Sam? Yeah.
Why is this one on there? That was
The
the one I
one?
was asking for.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Superman.
Hey, can y'all look at the camera and tell Grandma thank you?
Thank you.
Daniel, can you?
Thank you.
Very good.
The Joker. I got the Joker. Superman.
All right, you want me to open those?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.